Guys, this kebab place is one of the best in the West. This was the smallest size of their super snack packs. There was so much juicy kebab meat, sauce, and the chips were fresh and crispy. I really couldn't have asked for a better snack pack. Their pita and pizzas are also very generously sized and loaded with toppings. We got this meat overload pizza which had 5 different types of meat and so much cheese. I also loved their house pita which was filled with chicken, sujuk, veggies, cheese, and feta. And they also do some pretty decent burgers and pistachio baklavas here. If you guys love kebabs, you won't be disappointed. This is Kebab House in Wetherall Park.